Hey, I'm Arneice.
And I'm Lucy.
Welcome to our home. I'm very much a minimalist, and so I don't like a lot of things or a lot of clutter. But Lucy has a way of being able to take something that we got from a trip and putting it in the perfect spot. This is our kitchen. It's my favorite place in the entire apartment because I'm able to prepare healthy meals. Sometimes we do meal prep.
It just really allows us to kind of lay things out, really lay out our produce whenever we go and shop in the local farmers market.
It's our first apartment together, so it was really important that we really made it ours in the way that we decorate it to sort of merge our respective styles.
And this is our living room. We really love this space because we were able to incorporate pieces of home, which for us is New York City. We really love these two pieces. I'm originally from the Bronx and Arneice is from Brooklyn, and so these are just maps of the different neighborhoods in the boroughs, and it's kind of like our piece of bringing a little bit of home into our new home. And this is our second bedroom. It also functions as our study, and one of the things that we love so much about this space is that it allows us to be able to host our friends and family very comfortably.
Our family members come, they stay here in our study. Our futon actually folds down to a bed with a pillow top on top of it, so it's really comfortable.
And because we have a 2-bedroom, 2-bath, it really feels like they have the entire half of the apartment for themselves.
Because we're so close to DC, there's tons of entertainment. Even here in the downtown Silver Spring area, people just don't want to leave. And on this side of the house, we have our master bedroom. It's a very, very cozy space. I'm very thankful to the Fenwick staff for allowing us to customize a lot of the walls. Shout out to Steve. Steve came through and put these bolts in, and we love them. It's a dope piece here.
Because Arneice also enjoys taking pictures and photography, we really wanted to incorporate a little bit of that into the room as well. And so this wall piece, these are all different images that Arneice has taken from our different travels to Morocco and Paris and Cuba. Our home really has become a sanctuary for us in many ways. The work that I do is very stressful. It's very much focused in politics and policy. In just so many ways, just you're able to leave all the stressors of the day at the front door and just make this really be your sanctuary. Our sanctuary.
Our sanctuary.